Tech Teaching Tips, helping teachers find the best technology resources without breaking the bank or wasting time. So today I'm going to show you how to get Loom set up on your machine. I'm currently on a Windows computer, but you could also do this on a Mac computer. It's essentially the same process. So the first thing you want to do is go up here to loom.com/signup, and it'll bring you to this page right here, and you can either use your Google account if you're familiar with Slack, if you have a business and you're using Slack, or your Apple ID. I use Google because that's what our school does. And just as a side note, if you are a teacher, you can actually get your school email address verified as a teacher, and you can get the pro version of Loom for free, which is about an $8 a month perk that you can get. So go ahead and do that. That's definitely worth it. You get unlimited storage and a few other things to use with Loom. So once you do that, you can sign up with Google or whatever email you put down here, and it'll take you to a download or it'll download a file for you, and then you can go ahead and install it. I have already done that and installed this on my machine. So once you do that, this will pop up as the app runs. I am going to sign in with Google here, and it'll take you to a Google sign-in page. I'm going to go ahead and do my personal email for this one, and you just click next. This is just like signing in to check your email. It'll take you through this, and it'll ask you if you want to connect your account. Obviously you do. So here we go. Here's the Loom interface, and you can decide what you're going to do here. You can record your entire screen. You can select a window that you want to choose. So for instance, we can just do this Google Chrome, and it'll select that. Just hit escape here. You can also use your microphone or your webcam here. So I'm going to start my webcam screen and mic, and I'll use the same microphone. And we'll hit window size again. We'll go Google Chrome again. This is just an example, and you can see right down here, oh, there I am right there. And you get this fancy little circle here, and you can move this around up here, wherever you want. This is an internet-based application, so it requires the internet it requires the cloud in order to do some things. So sometimes when you drag your video over here, it's not quite as fast as simply just dragging your application window around. I like to put myself down here in the corner, or sometimes, you can put yourself up here, and that's right under my webcam. So now it looks like I'm looking directly at you, but you can play around with it wherever you feel comfortable putting yourself on the video. Or if you're not comfortable putting yourself on the video, you don't have to do that. You can change the size here. You can go full screen if that's what you want to do. I just like to be little down here in the corner. So then you hit start recording, and you can actually do a shortcut for that. So it'll give you a countdown, and there we're recording. You might hear a little ding in your headphones or on your speaker. And then you can present your lesson here. Whatever you're doing, you can use, whatever program you're using, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, any of those. If you're doing a presentation or lesson, you can use your online whiteboard. And actually the pro version of Loom for Education gives you an online whiteboard, which is pretty cool. And then you just hit the stop button, or in this case, I'll go Control-Shift-L, and you'll see it opens up my account right here. And this is my video recording that I have logged in on my Google account, which is pretty handy. And then you can rename the recording here however you want to do it. And that is the first intro into Loom. If you like what you see in this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment below.